grow in purpose, and I need to still stay like God's hand. He's still always there, and He's always ready to be there when I fall, and ready to show Himself to me no matter what.
Our next song entitled "How Great Thou Art." The words will be up there, and I will direct you all in singing. I trust this will be a word of praise and testimony from your heart. How great thou art.
What I didn't forget at home, I lost. I forgot my band uniform, and I lost my phone. I can't find it anywhere. And I was thinking about it last week, it really hit me down, but I started talking with the Lord, and He just really helped me. And God, He didn't tell me where the phone was, but He really comforted me. He told me, it'll be okay, because all is not lost. And, I will be there for you, and I just want to praise Him for that.
Wonderful to hear the young people testify. And of course, as adults, we realize that as young young people as they're getting their feet rooted and grounded in God's Word and Christian experience that gets better and better as they get older. I know that you'll be joining us for lunch, but those of you who are not going to be able to stay, I'd encourage you, if you don't mind, to just take a few moments to tell them what a wonderful Savior Jesus has been to you. Not just hello, that's great, but if you hear from other adults the wonderful joy that is to serve God. How does it get sweeter and sweeter? The longer we serve Him, the more prayers He answers, the more time He comes and visits us in our quiet time, and just witnesses with our spirit. Our next song is entitled "Praise the Lord, the Almighty," and there are several key phrases. And I trust that you'll think and realize that God is truly worthy of our praise. Phrase that really encouraged my heart. Ponder anew what the Almighty can do. I'm convinced we're living so far below what God wants to do in our hearts and our lives that we simply ask and in faith believe. And you know what? God says that I'm going to claim it, and I'm going to trust that He will do for me and for others what He promised. Nick Johnson will share a brief word of testimony.
Wow. I want to thank the Lord for saving me, and I want to serve Him with all my heart.
I had a couple, I'm not sure if any of them really volunteered, but I asked for a couple of popcorn testimonies, and they're good. That's very good. The next song is dedicated to the young people. It's a song called A Childhood Hymn. The words are Jesus led me this I didn't know. Of course, all of you know that. And I see we have a lovely child baby back there. And yes, a couple of mine had to step out. But, I'm thankful for my lovely Sharon. And our 5 kids have to be with us. I say kids. Juliana, our oldest daughter, is in 8th grade, playing the bells back here in the 10th. But after her is Samuel. Samuel's in 6th grade. He's 11. He plays the trumpet and percussion. Lydia had to step out. She's the 9th, 4th grade. And Joseph is in the 1st grade. He's 6 and plays the piano and the baby trombone. And, he played this last year for his kindergarten graduation. So if you were here last year, I played it. Maybe in a year or two he'll be favoring us. But and then after Joseph is Micah. Micah's about 8.5 months old. And he's been a blessing to our church as well. Our next song, Jesus Loves Me, the Son.
Thank you, Dan. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Mazzone. That's good, and I'm glad we do have a testimony. I guess the only thing I would tell you all that I messed up in is giving my heart to Jesus. It's awful to know that you've been raised in a Christian home and wait till you're 19 to yield your life. But God's been so good since then, and I know so many of us can testify of God's goodness. Let me share a few announcements. As Andrew, if you will get the offering plate back there, and Chris, if you'll help us on that side. For those of you that are part of the church family, your offering will receive here in a few moments. Let me share a brief announcements. After the band is complete this morning, we do have lunch together. We're going to let the food first, so y'all say so, please. The brownies are something's wrong with them, so leave them alone. I had to taste them, and they just quite right. So leave those. The rest of the food's pretty decent. They tell me it smells good, so we're looking forward to that. And then those of our guests, you will follow through after that. And then those of us that are belong here and are hungry already, we can wait till see if there's anything left over. That's the plan for lunch. Don't forget Wednesday night. We will not have service this evening. Those of us that are here have to clean up. We'll spend some time in prayer together, and then we'll not have service here tonight. So please keep in mind. Wednesday night at 7 o'clock, we'll meet at the Smiths. And keep praying for Dad and these special requests. Don't forget Sunday school next Sunday morning at 10 o'clock. God's so good. Let's thank Him for all He has done. And rest God's blessing.